Hello and welcome to Red Stapler channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D transparent progress bar with CSS transform in just a few minutes. Ready? Let's check it out. Here's the progress bar we're going to make. It looks pretty nice, but actually it's simply built from rectangle dips on each side. So the key concept is to create dips and use CSS transform to rotate them into the right angle and position. We'll start with HTML structure. First, we'll create a wrapper dip to define the size and position. And next, create another dip for progress bar, which inside we will create dips for each side. You will see that I didn't create the right side because the bar will be transparent anyway, so the right side is unnecessary. Now let's work on the CSS. I'm going to define the width and height of the progress bar and place it in the middle of the screen using 50% top left and -50% translate. For the inner div, I'm going to set the width and height to 100% and set the transform style to preserve 3D. For each side, I'm going to set the width and height to 100% as well and put a transparent background color. And here is the result so far. Next, I'm going to move all of these dips to be on the same spot by setting top and left to 0 and position to absolute. The next step is to rotate each side to make a rectangular tube. Since we are going to work on 3D, I'm going to add some rotation to the bar so we can see it in perspective view. Let's rotate the bottom side first by adding translate and 90 degrees rotation. And also set a transform origin, which is the rotation point, to bottom. I'm going to add a box shadow as well. I'm going to apply the same concept to all sides. You can find the source code of this tutorial at the link below. So here's the bar. The next step is to add a progress filler. Let's go back to HTML and add a div inside each side except the left one. Then set the height to 100% and add the background color. I'm also going to add box shadow with the same color as well to create a glow effect. The width of this class will represent the progress. Let's set it to 70% for now. Now the bar is finished. You can control it by using a simple jQuery class selector to set the width like this. So that's all for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, or follow us on Facebook to stay with us for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you next upload. Bye!